So this date adjust EOM is constructed. All right, let's check kind of the effect of this new column. So previously we know of the last trading day of the third quarter in 2023 is September 29. Okay, and that's not the same as the last calendar day in that third quarter. Okay, however, after this adjustment, you see the date adjusted EOM, well, actually takes a value of September 30th, 2023. Okay, so this date is exactly the last calendar day of that quarter or of that month, and this can be easily matched with the date in the quarterly income table. Okay, same deal. If we check, for example, by the end of the fourth quarter, the last trading day of the fourth quarter, December 29. Again, that's not the last calendar day of the month. So this new column, however, changed this last trading day, December 29, to the last calendar day of the month. So this date can be easily matched again with the quarter end date in the quarterly income data set. So this exercise make sure we can always match historical daily, the trading data table, with the quarterly income, the financial reporting data table, based on this column. Okay, based on this adjusted date. So, however, we still need to change the data model, the relationships in our data model to make this work, because previously the relationship between the historical daily and the quarterly income tables are basically through this date data field. Okay, let's go back and check here. Here, if you check this relationship between our date table and the historical daily, the trading table, you see the relationship is through the date field. Okay, the date field in the historical daily table. But that date field will actually make a mistake, because this date table is connected with the quarterly income table through date as well. All right, you can see once you hover your mouse over this relationship, you can see the date table and the quarterly income table is connected through the date field. However, we know if we rely on the date field in the historical daily table to match with the date field in the quarterly income table, there will be a problem, because the last trading day of a month or of a quarter in that historical daily table may not be the same, may not be the last calendar day of that month or of that quarter. So that cannot be matched with the date in the quarterly income table. So to overcome or circumvent this problem, we do not rely on the date to match anymore. Okay, instead we rely on the new column called DateAdjEoM to match with the date in the quarterly income table. All right, so to change that relationship, basically we just need to change the relationship between historical daily and this date table. Okay, and the rest will be taken care of. So we are going to change the current relationship between historical daily and the Bravo date table. Okay, you just need to hover your mouse over this line which connects these two data sets, and right click, and then click on properties. So here we have edit relationship window show up. Okay, so now we can see the current relationship is based on the date field, which is kind of in gray in the historical daily table, connected with the date field in the Bravo date table. Okay, that's a current relationship. So we're going to change, instead of relying on the date field, we're going to use the date adjusted EOM field in the historical daily table, and connect this field with the date field in the Bravo date table. Okay, so this new relationship is basically you just need to click on this new column, okay, then the new relationship will be established. Okay, of course you need to click on OK, and then you can check. If you hover over this relationship, you can see now these two data sets are connected, but the relationship is a little bit different from the prior relationship. Now the DateAdjEoM in historical data table is connected with the date field in the Bravo date table. Okay,